Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mirza Zuhair Beg, and you are watching my channel. Today, I am going to explain the coordinate diversity and some most important objective related to the class Reptilia. So आज हम देखेंगे कि class Reptilia जो है उसकी कौन कौन से most important objective है for the paper point of view और paper का नाम है coordinate diversity. The first question is about the reptiles that is related to this topic. आप जानते हो कि क्लास रेप्टिलिया बेसिकली बिलोंग करता है, अगर हम क्लास रेप्टिलिया को ऑब्जर्व करें तो ये एक्चुअली बिलोंग करता है एक ग्रुप ऑफ कॉर्डेट्स से, और कॉर्डेट्स वो होते हैं जिनकी बॉडी में नोटोकॉर्ड प्रेजेंट होता है. The first MCQ is the earliest member of the class blank were the first vertebrate to possess amniotic eggs. वो कौन से ऑर्गेनिज्म थे कि जो अर्लीस्ट मेंबर्स थे और उनमें फर्स्ट टाइम जो एमनियोटिक एग डेवलप हुआ. एमनियोटिक एग जो है बेसिकली तीन ग्रुप्स में है, एक रेप्टाइल्स में है और एक बर्ड्स में है और एक मैमल्स में है. बिकॉज रेप्टाइल्स के ओरिजिन सबसे पहले हुआ, इट मीन्स कि रेप्टाइल is the right answer. So option A, reptilia, is the right answer for MCQ number 1. The second MCQ, amniotic egg have extra embryonic membranes that protect the embryo from desiccation. Amniotic eggs के इर्द गिर्द जो extra embryonic membranes हैं that consist of chorion, amnion, allantois. What is the what kind of role they are playing? For example, they act as the cushion, the embryo. They provide the gas exchange. They involve in the storage of the waste, or all of these. Because the most suitable answer is all of these. So right answer is option D. That is related to the MCQ number 2. MCQ number 3, the Sphenodon punctatus, जिसे टोट्रा भी कहते हैं, belongs to the order. This one belongs to the order Testudines. No, Testudines is the order of turtles. Squamata, the order that include lizards, worm lizards. It include the snakes. Not at all. Option A and the C are wrong. So what's about the option B and D? क्रोकोडिलिया तो नहीं हो सकता, तो राइट आंसर जो है रिंकोसिफेलिया है. रिंकोसिफेलिया इसे स्फीनोडोन पंक्टेटस बिलोंग करता है, और ये न्यूजीलैंड में पाया जाने वाला एक तरह का रेप्टाइल है. और सिर्फ वहाँ न्यूजीलैंड ही एक ऐसी जगह जहाँ पर स्फीनोडोन पंक्टेटस यानी टोआट्रा एग्जिस्ट करता है. ऑप्शन MCQ नंबर 4, दे पोजेस अ सिंगल डॉर्सल ओपनिंग इन द टेम्पोरल रीजन ऑफ द स्कल. तीन ग्रुप से, एक एनाप्सिड थे, एक साइनाप्सिड थे और एक डायप्सिड थे. डायप्सिड जो है उनमें 2 टेम्पोरल ओपनिंग्स होती हैं. इट मींस बी ऑप्शन इज अ रॉन्ग आंसर. ऑप्शन सी, साइनाप्सिड्स है, दे हैव सिंगल ओपनिंग एंड synapsid without any kind of temporal opening. So right answer is option C. So synapsids are the group of animals that have single temporal openings. Bank is a resistant protein found in the epidermal derived structure of amniotes. Simply the epidermal derived proteinaceous structure is the keratin. Keratin जो है वो right answer है. Next one, the blank order containing living representative of reptiles. There were about 17 orders of class Reptilia, but most of these are extinct now. So only 4 living reptiles order existed today. So the right answer is option D. The next one is MCQ number 7. Blank forms from a fusion of vertebrae, expanded ribs, and bones in the dermis of the skin. So which one is the right answer? Synsacrum, not at all. Plastron is present on the lower side where the ribs, where you can say that vertebrae is absent. Carapace is the right answer. The upper or dorsal shell of the dorsal shell present in the turtles is also called as the carapace, that is formed by the fusion of vertebrae, expanded ribs, and bone of the dermis of the skin. So option B is the right answer. Next one is MCQ number 8. Turtles have blank cervical vertebrae. In human beings, 7 cervical vertebrae, but in case of turtles, 8 cervical vertebrae. So right answer is option B. That one is the option B. 8 cervical vertebrae are present in case of especially in case of the turtles. So what's about the next? The next one is about the next MCQ is including what? All turtles are blank. They are oviparous, they are viviparous, they are Papyrus, they are ovoviviparous. The right answer is oviparous. All turtles are oviparous because they lay the shelled eggs. The next one is the tooth attachment and the structure. Distinguish the blank from other reptiles. Which one is the structure that distinguish between the specific group of reptiles from all other kind of reptiles? The only one is the tuatara. Tuatara is the only single living species that is different from crocodiles, turtles, and lizards. So option D is the right answer for this MCQ number 10. The next MCQ is the MCQ number 11. What do you say about the MCQ number 11? इससे पहले हमने टोट्रा को डिस्कस किया जिसे हम स्फीनोरॉन punctatus भी कहते हैं. This one is also called as a Sphenodon punctatus. The blank, they are nocturnal and unlike most of the lizards are capable of clicking vocalization. Either these are the geckos, iguanas, chameleon, or lizard. So the right answer is geckos because they shows the clicking like the other lizards group or other lizard families. Chameleon and blank are well known for their ability to change color in response to illumination, temperature, or their behavioral state. Which one is the right answer? The other kind of lizard like chameleon that can change their skin color. It consists of the anoles. Anoles are the specialized kind of lizard that can change their color due to the presence of chromatophores. About blank are species of snakes are venomous. There are total 2,300 species of snakes, but only 300 species are venomous. So option A is the right answer for MCQ number 13. The skeleton of snakes may contain more than 200 vertebrae and pair of ribs. Option A was the right answer for the last MCQ. The order Crocodilia has how many orders? How many orders it how many species? It consists of 21 species that are present in order Crocodilia. A plate of bone called blank evolved archosaur and separate the nasal and mouth passageway. The only structure that separates the nasal and oral passageway. This is known as the secondary palate. So option C is the right answer for MCQ number 16. When a lizard is grasped by a tail, the caudal vertebrae can be broken and a portion of the tail is lost. This condition is called autotomy. Autotomy एक ऐसी condition है जिसमें tail अपनी lose कर देती है lizards वगैरह अपने predator से बचने के लिए. Locomotion in primitive reptile is just like the to that of a salamander because just like the salamander, the primitive reptiles can easily move. Venomous gland are modified sebaceous gland? No. Mammary gland? Not at all. Gastric gland? हो ही नहीं सकता. So the right answer, the venomous gland are the modified form of the salivary glands. Next one is MCQ number 20. Except for blank, the sinus venosus and no longer a chamber but has become a patch of cells that act as a pacemaker. The except for blank, sinus venosus is into the pacemaker. That is only a single species. This is known as a turtle that does not have a pacemaker or patch of tissue. Female pythons coil around their eggs and elevate their body temperature as much as 7.3 degrees Celsius above their air temperature using metabolic heat source. So the right answer is option D, 7.3. Vision is the dominant sense in the most reptiles, and their eyes are similar to those of amphibians because amphibians are the ancestors of the reptiles. So that's why the VN structure also resemble with the amphibians. MCQ number 23, rattlesnakes and other pit vipers have heat-sensitive organs on each side of the face between the eyes and nostrils. These are the specialized structure called as the pit organs, and pit organs are heat-sensitive organs in case of rattlesnakes. Parthenogenesis has been described in blank families of lizard and one species of snakes. These can be observed. Parthenogenesis is the development of an egg without fertilization, and this kind of behavior can be studied in the sixth family of lizard and single species of snakes. The skin of amphibians has ring-like fold called as annuli. So option D is the right answer for this MCQ. So this one is totally about today lecture. Thank you very much. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ एज सून जो है वो हाजिर होंगे. तब तक के लिए इजाजत.